in a top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
Hi guys, I do not even know if you guys can hear me, but I am in Brownstone right now and I have to go and meet my mom. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but welcome to the vlog. Welcome. It's a busy ass day. Oh my god. Hope that you guys can see me as well. I'm using the back camera so I can't even see myself. So I don't know if I look crazy. Oh my gosh. But it's a busy ass day as you can see from the background. Yeah, so I'm going to meet my mom and then I'll get back to you guys with all of it, okay? You know, mommy don't like camera. You know, mommy don't like camera already, so. No, Miss Ami. Get one rewatchable, man. Lord gosh. Oh, what is a line about now, mommy? I have to go in a Master Mark. Guys, look at this. Upper Western Union. Look at you say you see the government money. Look here. The line over there, so cross the road and I show them. I'm not fine because people kind of funky, then kind of days there. So see it there. Oh Jesus, catch ya. Watch ya. People are lining up to go Western Union. We go get them little money, me saying no social distance. Guys, it's chaotic. It is a whole mess when I tell you. So we're going to the bank. At least bank line of full today. Because me come down here a couple weeks ago and the line long come all the way out here. So I said, me say, me nas. Come down here, come down. Yeah, so. So I'm waiting to get through and all of that. These processes are taking longer because the whole thing is going on. So you have to just wait. I've been waiting for a little while. So cute sometime. I have to go to Ocho Rios as well with Moesha. I know Moesha, she always depends on the channel. So when she come on, I'm going to see her again. So we're going to go to Ocho and thing as well. Right now I'm exhausted. And I'm going to go just to see. So I'm going to have to leave my mom at the bank because I have to collect the bag that she brought for me because it has chicken in there. She brought chicken for me. So I have to send it down on a taxi so that my chicken doesn't spoil because not them time they can't make no waste. And thing. And girl. People are cussing island. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to collect the bag at a supermarket. And she say bag heavy, so I'm going to muscle up and carry those.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm going to see some mango. Buy some. Let me pass back. I'm really not have it time. Alright guys, so me soon shortly again. Alright. No, I'm not ready, you know. But I saw me want. Are you a friend?
Yeah.
I want the bag I leave down on my gate.
Which part you live again?
Right there, orange. The orange vehicle. The orange car right across from Marco did they so. Marco live? Right, did they so.
Right, that bridge.
You may have to pay any money? Alright. Yeah. Sorry. Huh? Yes, hold on. Yeah man, just blow. Or just left it. Just blow. Somebody over there, here.
Hey, she said she never have you know.
Watch out. Yes, me there. Hold on. How much is this? How much for it? My buy juice. Oh, my money gone now. What? Toast, none of me have in my name. I have no coins. I lie. I have coins.
Come baby, you ready baby? Wait. Yeah, boss.
Best one place to time to add for all of this. Razor, go on where you gonna? I buy cranberry water. Cause time hot man, Jesus. Time is so hot. It's raining. Need to have an umbrella.
You left money over here for me? Or you left it for me?
Come here, bun seed too. Hi guys, I know that the quality may be a bit different because the phone that I was using, it died. So bear with me. So I'm actually in Ocho Rios right now. I'm at Knoxford Express. Yeah, Moesha. She come to collect package without ID, without TRA, without no information. And suppose me not come down here with her. It does seem more long to go up. But anyways. Yeah, so that's it. Rain did just a fall. Rain did just a fall and not fall but drizzle. So I hope you know too much in my town now because I walk, we have to walk go. So, hey, see a package. Have you apply coffee me? Girl, come out with package and beer things. So can collect package of beer. Yup. Yes guys, so we're going into the town and all of these things. So over here so close. Over Island Village close. So if you want to know where Knoxford is in Ocho Rios, it is over by Island Village. So you just come over and it is like bam, right over there. So Margarita Villa, everything the back that side, and Knoxford is right there. So yeah, me sure know night town cause me hungry. Whether it's one patty, I've been craving for that for a little while. So come go patty shop. Yep. Yes guys, down here kinda empty. Eh? What?
Put your mic. But you don't want to do it. You never take off your mask.
We're friends, so sure. Yes, guys, Ocho Rios is beer. Not much going on, you know. Just stay at home. Business going on here. Streets of Ocho Rios. Oh, Moesha has started. Yeah, hold on, let me turn around the camera for this. Moesha has started her YouTube channel. See her over there, so see her. This is her first vlog. You have to turn your phone sideways. You have to turn your phone sideways. So it's her first vlog. She's going to do a little vloggy moment. I'm going to link her channel in the description box so you guys can go and support her. You know, we have to make this moolah together. Okay, period. Period, po. Period. You catch that? Vogue. Yes, guys. So go and subscribe to her channel. You know, we all need the support. If you guys also have a YouTube channel that you would want us to subscribe to, send it over, because guess what? We are supposed to be in this for each other. Okay? And when I subscribe to your channel, I'll definitely be commenting and liking your videos. So I would want the same for my videos as well. No comment, man. Leave the little comment them. You know, take no time. Like up the videos, them, and all of these little things, because these things are very, very helpful. When you thumbs up, you know, it's so interaction, it's so YouTube, so you can push out the video them a little bit more. And we can go on with a bag of things, you understand? I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. Help me to reach there, as well as, yes, leave your suggestions down below of videos that you would want us to do. As you know, Kim is at home. I'm the one who is mostly out and about, because that's just how it is. And yeah, so like, comment, oh Lord, people them have a show in a river over here, so I really want to put them on camera because people kind of weird these days. Yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. On our way plan, subscribe to the channel. I'm too. Why? Sometimes we crap myself up. Alright, guys, the matter sense more well, but yes, just well, I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys, so much. Let's go. Alright, guys, so this is where I'm going to end the vlog. The vlog is already long as it is, so yeah, I went on a little rant already about subscribing and liking, so just do that. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and go and check out Moesha's channel, which will be linked in the description box down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.